Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Edge panel for fast access on your Samsung Galaxy S10e. Let's get started. As a first step, open Settings on your phone and then go to this tab which is named Display. Here, scroll down again and go to this tab which is named Edge Panels. But firstly, don't forget to enable this function. So here we can click on this button Panels, and here you can choose the panel that can be most useful for you. So for example, you can choose apps, live messages, people, smart select, tasks, weather, and more. So I have selected apps, and as you can see, we got here this little button edit. By clicking on it, we can set on this panel the apps that would be the most useful for us. So for example, let's add here Gmail, Internet, and Maps. And we can also delete some of the old ones by clicking on this red minus. Here is it how it looks, and now we can simply click on this arrow to save the changes. So let's go back, and now let's test it. As you can see, I got this little line on the right edge of my phone, and if I will swipe it to the left, you can see this panel that I have just customized. By clicking on these three lines, we can also edit it by clicking on this pencil. Here's it how it looks, and that was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.